Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the RS-Taichi Hybrid Mesh Jacket. Okay, let's jump right into it with the good news. This jacket retails for $189.95. We made a closeout buy on this kick-ass mesh hot weather riding jacket, and we're able to sell it for a lot less. Come to the site to see the pricing. I can promise you, you're going to love the savings on this great jacket. Let's jump into sizing because it's a little bit different with the RS-Taichi products. This is a Japanese-sized 2XL. It fits me the way most larges would fit me in other brands that we offer. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 195 pounds. Yeah, I've been on a little bit of a diet with about a 32, 33 inch waist. Get a really good fit from this coat. Summer weather is what this is designed for. Large mesh panels, front, inner arm, as well as the back are going to bring you a tremendous amount of airflow. It includes CE certified armor that is adjustable in terms of height and fit in the elbows, forearms, and shoulders. It includes hard shell chest armor that has some foam behind it, not CE certified, but it is included in the jacket along with a foam back protector that is not certified. So the chest and the back are not certified, elbow and shoulders are. Lots of protection built in with this jacket. If you want to upgrade the back insert to a CE piece, we have stuff from Taichi available. We also have stuff available from Force Field that'll fit right in there and take the protection to the next level if you're interested in that. Conversely, if you're looking at the chest arm, you're like, that's not really my jam, I don't want it in the coat, we're going to show you later in the video how to access the pocket that allows you to remove those from the jacket. They're just Velcroed in, they'll come right out. By design, these also do not negatively impact the airflow the jacket offers. There's big cutouts in there and there's perforation in the foam so the air can continue to flow right through it. Other features and benefits: hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides with zippers. Volume adjuster here at the waist is with textile and Velcro. More volume adjustments found here in the cuff. Right, and look at how you're able to really snug that down. So if you wanted to wear a glove over the top, you could do that. If you wanted a little more open, get maybe a shorty that can tuck up inside there, you can do that as well. Little volume adjustment here is found in the forearm area. Reflective piping on both arms, as well as a couple reflective panels on the back of the jacket that we're going to show you later in the video. Internally, inside the coat, there is one storage pocket that offers a Velcro closure at the top. We will also focus on more as we get deeper into the video. If you like what you see and you're interested and you want a closer look, just stay tuned. Caleb's going to show you all the internal details. Okay, here we go, an inside-out look of the Taichi Hybrid Mesh Jacket. Here's the armor that it comes with. We got CE certified armor in the shoulders, as well as the elbows and forearms. The way Taichi has designed this jacket, the armor in both of those places can be adjusted a little bit to help dial in the fit. I'm going to show you that in just a second when we focus on the jacket. It also comes with hard shell, not CE certified, but hard shell chest armor installed in the coat. It's held in simply by Velcro. Even though this isn't CE certified, you can see it's got a hard shell. It's got foam behind it. It's going to manage an impact. It's pretty low profile too, and you can see here they've cut it out so it preserves all the ventilation you enjoy with the mesh panels. It comes with a foam back pad. This is not CE certified. It is, however, upgradable. There's stuff from Taichi that's available to slide in there, as well as from Force Field. Jacket itself, a real nice mesh fabric. We've got some heavier denier fabric here in the impact zones, right? All the fabrics have a nice hand. Reflective patches are here, here. You'll see some reflectives on both of the arms too, and some striping. Volume adjuster here at the waist, textile and Velcro. So big mesh panel there in the back. You get to the front of the coat and they're matching that with a ton of mesh up front, split by the zip. Reflectives here on the chest. You can see the reflectives in the arm roll all the way over to the front. In the impact zone, the heavier denier fabric. In the inner arm, mesh fabric, tons of airflow. Volume adjustment here in the forearm area. Volume adjustment here in the cuff. Nice comfortable mesh liner. Hand warmer style storage pockets with zippers, both right and left sides. Fold the jacket open. Here's the pocket for the back protector. There's a Velcro panel here at the very bottom of it. That's how you were able to open it up, get the foam out, insert the CE certified protector if you decide to add that. We've got a storage pocket here on the left side. It's got a little Velcro closure at the top. If you want to access the chest armor for removal, unzip this pocket here, slide your hand in, right here, and you can kind of see the outline where they've stitched on the other side of the Velcro right here. Just grab that, release the Velcro, and slide it out. Personally, I would just leave the stuff in there. I think it really enhances the protection the jacket offers. Armor adjustment, and this is a pretty intuitive design from Taichi. Here is the shoulder armor, and if you look at the pocket, you'll see that there is a flap that's kind of folded over the armor. And what this does, this controls where the armor rides in that pocket. Inside, you'll see there's a larger Velcro patch here. Smaller one, larger one. The higher up you are on the internal one, the higher up it's going to hold the armor. Let's say you need the armor to slide down your shoulder a little bit. What you'll do is you'll lengthen the pocket itself. Go kind of the lowest spot here possible. And what that does is that just simply stretches out that pocket and allows the armor itself, you can see that slide down. Okay, we've got, she's over an inch there, so you can really dial in the fit of the armor in both the shoulder as well as the elbow. This is a quality jacket. The closeout that we're running on this thing right now is amazing. Makes it a great value. We're going to have a couple other Taichi jackets that are like this. This is a great summer riding jacket. Tons of quality, fantastic price. If you have any questions about fit, any comments, just leave them here under the video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.